You don't think it'll fit our budget?
So it's gonna be the first one. So you're literally about to be my first little bakra.
It looks stunning.
मैं समझ नहीं रही हूँ. आप अगर माप ही देख के नहीं कटिंग कर रहे हो. Okay, now I'm officially worried.
Hi.
Okay, in terms of look, ठीक है, but in terms of fit. And welcome to today's video, a mini series inside an existing series. This is about to be a really fun one. We're doing an outfit from scratch, but this isn't an ordinary one. We're doing one for the very first time for one of you. This is pretty much episode whatever of outfit from scratch, but episode 1 of Wear Fam outfit from scratch. I was really excited to be doing this because getting together with you guys in different ways is really exciting to me. Putting together events, meet and greets, mom club, and now this is just such a big part of what I have imagined for years, and I'm so happy it's all coming to life. So in case you missed the last outfit from scratch where I made the announcement about this, let me give you a little bit of a rundown on how this works. You guys filled in the Google form that I left on the last video, and I'm leaving that link down below in this video as well, so that if you want to be a part of the upcoming episodes in the series, you possibly can. We went ahead and sent out emails to a few people from the emailing list, and let's just say that one of those particularly stood out to me. It was a very interesting reference, and there was a budget set in place. So just in case you're wondering how the budget of this works, I'm making the outfit for you, which basically means you're paying for the outfit. However, the twist is that if I land up crossing your budget, I will pay for the over crossing wala amount from my pocket. Just to keep full transparency here, the person that I'm going to be doing the episode with is going to get copies of the bills, etc, as well. So first things first, let's get started with introducing you to the Wear Fam member whose outfit we're going to be making in this episode. So we started things out with doing a little video call. I got to know Srishti a little bit over here, and we got to discuss the references, the budget, and all of the details that came along for the process of getting her dream outfit together for the festive season.
I'm so excited to do this. It's gonna be the first one, so you're literally about to be my first little bakra. I'm quickly gonna open up the reference that you sent to me.
Step 1 for execution is always material sourcing. So let's dive right into that.
Hi! How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So nice to meet you. Mama, this is Srishti. We have Mama on board who's helping us as usual with outfits from scratch videos. अपना reference ये है आलिया भट्ट का. You want the same color or are you okay with a different color?
A different color also.
You just want sleeves, na? I feel like that'll be nice if we can add some sleeves.
इसमें दो कलर है, एक ये है.
See, अच्छा इतना continuous नहीं है. This is full.
So I'll explain. These are patches of brocades on a scarf.
Correct. Yeah, this is too full.
What we can do is add these patches which you see, all these different little.
Because वो बहुत भरा हुआ लगेगा ना, so it'll look very big.
No. This is like the whole piece is like that, so you can't go. There's nothing designer in that, or there's nothing.
No, it'll look too kitsch.
Yeah.
ये pink वाला अच्छा है. Are you open to yellow or you want to stay in the pink zone?
I'm okay with all colors. Yellow looks very good on me.
I feel like yellow will look very nice on you.
Mustard suit करेगा.
ये माल में है अपने पास, स्टॉक में है.
No.
अरे आप क्यों दिखाए फिर?
कौन सा है स्टॉक?
Now I like the yellow.
ये दो और ये दो.
So let's make the base yellow in that case, since you like yellow also, and then put these mama slightly pinker. Like even this color is interesting. Yeah, better than this.
Yeah.
She and I both like this. This maybe not
like the
right.
green in that.
Yeah, same. Even I don't like the green in that.
Yeah.
And then fill it with that. That's nice. Can we find something brighter? I feel like एक हल्का bright लगेगा ना, it'll look better.
We do patches of this and take the base brighter then.
हाँ, see this bright is nice. Can you put this on you? ये डालो जरा अपने आप पे. This is very nice.
It's a nice
Or even
color. brighter,
but I don't want to go in this
her,
dark zone. You don't think it'll fit our budget?
ये वाला.
नहीं आप इसके हिसाब से दिखाइए. But it's not Alia Bhatt reference. This is more Indian. You like this, Srishti? You have to like it first, huh? You get veto. You like it?
Yes, I do like it.
And then इसके ऊपर अगर हम वो पैच वर्क ब्रोकेड का करें to give it that same effect as your reference.
एक बार देख लिया माइंड में क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
अच्छा ये वाला बताइए ना, ये वाला per meter कितना है? Little bingo, but like even the pink is very nice. It's very different.
Ink blue.
I think the yellow is better actually. Yeah, I agree.
Plain or this fits the
कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Now, if you've seen any of my outfit from scratch videos, you know the first thing I do once I finish everything that I have in hand is make sure to go through the entire store and see if I like anything else. This is my way of foolproof making sure that the selection I have in hand is genuinely something I want to commit to. Lo and behold, the one I did have in my hand was good to go for me. We found the combination that works, and color combinations in the sense even the shade to the tea I have tried my best to match. The idea behind this really is to kind of double check myself in that sense, and in this case of course Srishti's liking as well. We tried and tested a bunch of combinations and landed on the haldi with the pattern print that you're seeing in my hand, and this meeting with Srishti and shopping experience ended with us taking her measurements, after which I was headed to go to the Master G to make sure that I gave the kapda once it was in my hand post dyeing. So just in case it didn't come through from the entire material sourcing process together, between my mother, Srishti and I, the colors were changed around a little bit. She wanted to make sure that the reference of Alia Bhatt was as is, but at the same time, she wanted a little bit of a twist to it. She wanted colors and a vibe that was more her. So we're really trying to get that reference, but with Srishti's vibe on it, which is going to be a fun challenge. After we bought all the material, we went ahead and put a bunch of it into dyeing to make sure that the colors are exactly what we had in mind. The twist in the process, however, was that after the dyeing, I needed to go to a Master G. And here's where I'm still second guessing myself. I'm just going to be very honest here. I always land up going to the same Master G who works with my mom. I want to start trying different Master Gs all across Mumbai because I'm based in Mumbai. And it made me really nervous. How the outcome of it is, we'll find out in a second, but let me just profess this process by saying that.
Okay, so we've got the goods secured over here, and it's about 2 to 3 days later than I would have liked. It's not anybody's fault except for my own. My schedule pre-festive season with work, podcast, branded content has been insane, but we've got this here. But we have a new problem. The Master G that I wanted to give this particular piece to, unfortunately, has a personal emergency and is not taking any new orders at all. So there is a new tailor we're going to, keeping my fingers crossed that he is as good as I'm being told he is, because boy, I really want this done well. It's my first outfit from scratch for a subscriber. He comes very highly recommended, which is why I'm even taking this risk. So you know what, mom's almost here, let's go. हाँ, मेरे पास measurements हैं,
4 कलियां डाल दूंगी,
but हाँ,
4 कली बहुत कम है,
8 हो जाएगी ना,
है ना। और उसके ऊपर ये है ना पैच वर्क करवाना, ब्रोकेट का।
मैं ये भी लाई हूँ और ये भी लाई हूँ, ये आप जो पक्का करेंगे बाद में, लेकिन पहले ये अर्जेंट है कि आप मेरे को कलियां बना के, क्योंकि फिर मुझे आगे देना होगा।
हाँ, और ये शेप उसको चाहिएगा कि स्ट्रेट?
आई थिंक स्ट्रेट, और पैडेड नहीं चाहिए, नहीं,
छोटा
कैप
वाला नहीं
स्लीव है, कैप स्लीव है मेरे पास, एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट्स है, फोन पे मैं आपको दे दूंगी,
गले का भी मेजरमेंट और स्लीव्स का भी मेजरमेंट। तो और निहाल भाई, इसका कितना हो जाएगा, क्या चार्ज करोगे ब्लाउज और इसका?
कैन तो नहीं डालना, खाली लाइनिंग।
कैन नहीं चाहिए ना?
नो, आई डोंट थिंक शी वांट्स इट टू बी दैट हेवी ईदर।
बटर क्रेप अंदर
बटर क्रेप डालो, हाँ, ब्लाउज और इसमें।
अगर आप लाइट कैन करेंगे तो चलेगा, लेकिन मेरे को वो हेवी वाला
नहीं होता है, एक लाइन होता
है। बटर भी है ना?
निहाल भाई कितना हो जाएगा इसका?
ये ऊपर नीचे दोनों बनाना
जी,
ब्लाउज और स्कर्ट, दुपट्टा नहीं है।
2000 दे देना।
हम लोग
एंड ये जो ये वाला एरिया है ना,
प्रिंसेस करेंगे ना,
इसमें कहाँ को प्रिंसेस करते, खराब हो जाएगी ना लाइनें।
फिर फिटिंग
कैप स्लीव्स,
ये लाइन स्ट्रेट, तो स्ट्रेट लाइन में ना वो लुक नहीं अच्छा आएगा
बराबर
पूरा, ये लेना।
In terms of technical output, when I took the kapda and I went to the Master G, one of the things I said to him was to make sure that he gets all the kalis in order first of the skirt. I was going to take these kalis with the kacha stitching and take it to the karigar who was going to applique every single patchwork piece on this. This was a little bit of a different thing from everything I've done so far. I feel like I'm learning more with every outfit from scratch video. I feel like every time I do one, I think, oh, this is going to turn out to be my favorite. Let's find out how this process goes.
ये देखो, इसके ऊपर के साथ इधर उधर छाटा हुआ है ना, बस वही रेफरेंस है अपना।
पूरे में भरा रहेगा ना पैसा पूरा?
हाँ, जितना भर सकते उतना अच्छा।
हाँ, आप कौन सा शेप है?
सब अलग अलग है, किधर स्क्वायर है, किधर वो झरोका है,
आप ऐसा रेक्टेंगुलर भी ले सकते, चौरस नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, इधर से,
क्योंकि नहीं तो सब जगह सिर्फ कली पे करेंगे और सब जगह सिर्फ खड्डे पे करेंगे तो अजीब लगेगा।
ये इतना हिस्सा छोड़ देना।
Okay, so now that the kalis were back in my hand, it was time to take this entire skirt, get it measured for the circumference of it, and get the borders picked up accordingly. Okay, now with the skirt that we have, I need to go get the border, which is why we're here. We are headed to Art of Zari for the border of the skirt. नहीं देखो ये अलग पिंक है, पिंकी अलग है, ये तो ये आउट हो जाता है, ये सेम पिंक है. हालांकि मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद है लेकिन इसका बेस रेड है, अपने पास रेड बहुत कम है इसमें. ये क्या भाव है पर मीटर?
410 रुपए 4 मीटर की जरूरत.
ये कितने इंच होगा? मेरे को आप मेजर टेप दे सकते हैं?
Yeah. These two are better. The ones we decided.
अरे नहीं जब
आप अगर मैप नहीं देख रहे हो तो आप मैप को आपको देख के मम्मी ने ड्राइंग करके दिया है. ये वेस्ट इसका वेस्ट थोड़ी है, ये वेस्ट तो स्कर्ट के लिए है, हिप्स के साथ लिखा है जो जी बाकायदा इधर का है. यानी मैं समझ नहीं रही हूँ. आप अगर मैप ही देख के नहीं कटिंग कर रहे हो तो कैसा चलेगा?
Okay, now I'm officially worried because he has messed up some of the measurements and I don't know what to do. I've given him the border. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that he fixes the things that need to be fixed. I do not want to disappoint Srishti. I don't want to disappoint myself and start this series off on a note like this. I'm so just really worried now. What did you think?
Messed up everything. Like measurement wise.
He's saying he can fix it. So
let's see.
Okay, now this trip to the Master G is the one that really made me nervous because not only had he made the skirt's waist 10 inches more than what he was supposed to, which is still a very fixable thing because it's a waist and the pakka silai was still left. What made me nervous was that the blouse measurements were not exactly what we had discussed. And so he said he was going to make some alterations, some of which were doable, some of which were possibly not doable. How much of this was going to work out in my favor was going to be a mystery because I was leaving for Goa the very next day and Diwali was just around the corner. So he was going to give me the pieces a couple of days later and I was going to be in Goa at that time. And so I just crossed my fingers and hope to God that everything works out because the last thing I want is for my subscribers, Srishti, to feel let down about the piece and for me to feel let down about a piece because I don't want to deliver something that isn't at par with the way we visualized it. And that brings us up to speed today, where I'm about to see this outfit for the first time. We're meeting Srishti tomorrow, so I'm really excited to get her reaction. But pehle mujhe dekh lena chahiye so that I know whether to be nervous or excited. I have Namra over here next to me. Hi, Nam.
Hi.
Now, she doesn't want to be on camera, but she's going to talk to you through the process. You double-checked the measurements when you went to him, you said.
Yes, I did. It was like he said that he has fixed the issues which were there previously. But 19-20 kiya hai usne blouse mein.
Okay.
Skirt is fine.
Okay. I am excited because I haven't seen the piece myself as yet and it's just one of those things where I'm really like खुद के outfit from scratch में कभी ऊपर नीचे हो गया ना तो चलेगा ये किसी और के लिए है. I really need for it to be right because I want to do more of this with you guys. If you don't like it, my god, this series will end on episode 1 only. Can I see?
Hopefully not. No, the outfit is beautiful. Are you ready?
Oh, the can is adding such lovely volume. I was going back and forth on whether we should add can because Srishti did not specify. Just did one light layer to make sure she gets some movement. The skirt is looking beautiful. The skirt is looking beautiful. So I love the way the patchwork is sitting everywhere. Some of these patches we've had to like kind of go in and I had given him instructions to stitch them further in together because the waist was much bigger than we needed, like we said. Also, he wanted to put like a nada and stuff and I was like, no nada. He was like elastic. I was like, no elastic. So wanted to make sure absolutely but it's looking so beautiful, mashallah. Look at all the patches everywhere. I am going to give you a complete cost breakdown of absolutely everything naturally. So make sure you watch this video till the end. More than the costs, I think I'm just excited to see and get Srishti's reaction tomorrow. The blouse is here as well. Listen, the blouse, it looks stunning. It looks stunning. The back is about 1.5 inches deeper than it is intended to be. So I'm gonna see if Srishti is comfortable with that. Otherwise, I'm gonna find a way to, you know, give her that solution once she tries it tomorrow. But it's looking so beautiful. There's a little dory at the back. She didn't want for it to be padded. She wanted to be able to wear a bra inside, which is a suggestion my mom gave her and she quickly accepted. I'm one of those girls as well that prefers a bra over a pad. I think the big girlies get that. And it's just all looking so beautiful. Okay, in terms of look, theek hai. But in terms of fit, kal pata chalega. So I will have to live in mystery for one more night. Send me good juju, you guys. Send me good juju. Okay, so Namra and I were discussing how this is looking a little bit incomplete because it doesn't have any latkans. And in true designer ki beti style, my mom had a stock of some latkans with her. So we need to figure which one to put on her. And coincidentally, somebody is going to Mama's workshop now. So we're gonna send this blouse to get the latkan added. I think this is an option, but I think
Even that one has.
this, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually really like close the color. Bronze zone. I think let's do this.
Yeah.
It's a nice zone. It's different also.
It's going. It's not going.
Nahin, it's looking like a parda. This is better. Hi, tell us about yourself, Srishti.
Hi, I am 34 years old. I have my own company. We import furniture from Europe and furniture and lights, and I've started this business 3 years ago.
So why did you choose this Alia Bhatt look as a reference? Tell me where that came from.
So since her marriage, this lehenga was something which I was very inspired by. And I recently came to know, I was watching a show and I came to know that it is actually all the items which they've used in this. It is all the outfits which Manish Malhotra has made of her, and it's the waste which has been used in that. So that is a very interesting thing which I came to know about the outfit.
How excited are you to see the final look?
Very excited, yes. Very, very excited how it finally comes out.
So it's D-Day and we have Sana over here who's about to do makeup for her. And Srishti is yet to see the outfit. So let's get this glam going and we'll show her the outfit right after.
A few moments later.
So, yes, the Instagram lady who had gone viral, my orange color, my yellow color, my this color. I'll be that lady, okay? This is your skirt.
Nice.
And we've added the patchwork style thing that you wanted everywhere. थोड़ा symmetry रखा है, थोड़ा asymmetry रखा है ताकि वो balance लगे. Okay. And then we've got two blouse. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes. Very smart.
Will it fit? That's what I'm not.
Yeah. It will.
I
It's
just realized that the tailor has
Put the name on the wrong side.
yeah. He's put the label on the front instead of the back. I got this done last night. Okay, so if you ask me, I think the outfit looks beyond stunning. I think she looks really stunning and we've had a long conversation about her thoughts on it as well. My thoughts really don't matter right now though. I think we should go to her. Hi Srishti. Honest thoughts only, okay? Real thoughts and feelings. What do you think of
I'm really happy with the outfit. Like, it looks really nice. It's quite close to the inspiration what we had, and also like the colors have come out really beautiful and I really love it.
I will be honest, when you and my mom and all of us were having this conversation about switching up the colors, मैं थोड़ी सी nervous हो गई थी. I want to address before anybody says it in the comments, a little bit of the blouse fitting and sleeve is off. We're going to have that fixed right after we do this shoot to make sure that it fits her to the T. So just want to put that out there before someone comes for that in the comments. But you said something about light also. Please tell them that, because that was something I was also very nervous about.
Yeah, like the outfit is very light. There's no can and you know, you can walk around, and even if it's like your own close family's wedding, you can still do the running around which is required.
Can I tell you, actually, there is one layer of can inside.
Yeah, there is one, but it's not very heavy.
Yeah, we took a very light one, like the kind of the little brief that I gave for the can was I want her to be able to move freely.
Yeah.
so that whether you're going to like a wedding or a, you know, somebody else's wedding also, you should be able to wear the clothes.
I agree. It's very light. It's very good.
Yay! If you don't like something also, you can tell us, huh?
No, there's nothing like that.
Also, glam today is by my bhabhi Sana. So just want to shout out Sana over here for coming in and doing the makeup. You want to close your eyes and show us the eye makeup there? It's so lovely. And the jewelry is Azotique. I'm forever going to Azotique for jewelry. Wanted to get something on brief for the Alia Bhatt look. Okay, rate your outfit on 10 for us. And you can be as brutal as you like, huh?
8.5.
Okay, love that. That's not bad, huh? That's not bad
not at all.
Yay! मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज़ खाई जा रही है कि यहाँ का जो स्लीव का फिट है ना, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा लूज कर दिया है, because of which the blouse is becoming loose just in this whole segment. What we're going to do is get this fixed today itself. Right after the shoot, we're going to go to the Master G and get that fixed. Okay, so obviously it's impossible to end this video without giving a full breakdown of the hisab for the expenses that you've incurred for your own outfit. And I'm going to give that to you. The budget we had set for this look was
13,000.
and I'm going to give the full breakdown of the expenses. Did we stay in budget? Did we not stay in budget? Let's find out. So we spent 5,277 rupees on buying the kapda. The kapda for the blouse, the kapda for the skirt, the patchwork, all of that. Some of the patterns, if you notice, like these and all the gotas here, there, we had from my mom's collection, so we just used those. Be scrappy and smart when you're making your outfits. जो पहले के बच्चे कुछ है, I think वो मनीष मल्होत्रा के ही reference में से हमने सीख लिया था, because it was, you know, he had used patchworks from different looks of from Alia Bhatt's earlier looks that he had made. So that though, I think the scrappiness kind of comes in from there also. Then we spent 1,987 rupees at Art of Zari for the borders, which are at the bottom. We did 2 layers of borders. If you ever go for more layers of borders, obviously your budget's going to go up.
Correct.
One little tip I want to give you over here, which is what we did, is that we got the skirt stitched first. We measured the circumference and उसके हिसाब से हमने जाके लिया. हमने पहले अंदाज़ा नहीं लिया because we knew we'd either fall short or it could be extra. I had a little bit of this problem during my last outfit from scratch. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. Then I spent 2,300 rupees to the karigar, who I must credit, within 2 days gave me the skirt with all of the patches stitched on. Yeah, so all the detail work you're seeing for every single patch, he charged 2,300 rupees for getting all of that on all over the skirt. Last but not the least, Nihal Master Ji, I've mentioned this in the vlogs and bits and pieces as well, was a very creative and eccentric person to be dealing with, but have to give credit where credit is due. He got the job done. A little bit of a fitting thing, which will get fixed, I'm very sure. He charged us, surprisingly, very pleasantly, 2,000 rupees.
That's it.
I did not even negotiate when he said 2,000 rupees. I was just like, take it, get the job done. I so wish we had considered how much work everyone would have during Diwali. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि उतना होगा. Thankfully हमने दिवाली look के लिए नहीं plan किया था. But अगर हो जाता तो for me it would have been a little cherry on the cake. It would have been a little Sone Pe Suhaga moment where I'm like, I could give it to you in time for Diwali. But you have a wedding coming up in the family, so I feel good that she can wear this there.
Yes.
So all in all, from your 13,000 rupee budget, we have spent only 11,564 rupees.
Yes.
I was nervous. I was like, I don't want to cross the budget. No,
we've not. We stayed under the budget also.
And just in case you're wondering, the jewelry she's wearing is sourced from Azotique, so we're giving it back, so that doesn't count in the budget.
Yeah.
Just want to clarify in advance. Listen, I can't end this video without saying that I had a lot of fun. Like, I felt excitement, nervousness, a little bit of pressure, because for the first time I was making it like an outfit for someone else.
Yeah.
I don't know how my mother and other designers do this for a living. Mad respect to you if you're in that field. And I just hope you had fun too.
I had a lot of fun. I was very excited to see the outfit and I'm very happy with it.
I hope that you think of me every time you wear it. And I feel like you'll wear it a lot. I hope you'll wear it a lot.
Yes, for sure. Like even for like any function I can wear it. It's pretty lightweight and everything to wear.
For me, this is a mission accomplished. Share your thoughts
on the look, on the outfit down below in the comments. You know, I'm always reading, liking, adding and responding to each and every one of you. And I'm leaving the Google form link down below as well. So when we do another one of these episodes for an outfit from scratch for you, you could possibly be part of this series. I hope you enjoyed being part of this series. You were like my little guinea pig in the first episode. Where I did everything for someone else for the first time.
No, it was a lot of fun.
Yay. I'm glad you think so. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. I'm so glad it worked out. I'm honestly so happy.